Today we want to install some foldaway car seats so we can take some friends and family with us. Let's get it started. Voila! Now in order to get the seat down, you just have to unlock it and press down here and flip it down. Then in order to get the back up, you just flip this up here and flip the seat up here at the back, and then it's all good to go. You can just sit down and enjoy the ride. There's some seat belts here, just fit in here. Perfect! To put it back up, reverse order. First we flip down the backs here, then we lift this up here, and then we just flip over the lock here so it doesn't come down. That's basically it. I hope this episode was helpful for you. Please be aware, I'm not a professional, I'm just doing this for the first time. Subscribe, hit the like button, and hope to see you around. Bye for now.